Welcome back to the channel. I want to show you guys a way to do before and after edits to show your color grades. There's a few different ways you can do it. I got 3 examples set up here. First example we have here is just dragging your clip and adding a little optical fade, which is kind of all right, but I don't see a lot of people using it. The second one, we have the original clips on bottom. So I split it, disabled this top clip with just the D button, and then added this edge wipe, which is a custom preset I made, just an edge wipe. And then you could see over here that the angle is set to 90 degrees. And that one looks like this. And it gives you a nice smoother wipe. And then the third way, we actually took the top clip here and turned on cropping. You can see I got the crosshair added in the center, which you can find under here. So on this drop down menu, there's a safe area guides. I have center turned on to have the center of the screen. If you hit option and zoom in, that'll zoom straight into the center of your screen. And then with the top clip selected, we have cropping on, and I have it cropped to the left. So let's go ahead and see how that looks. You'll see a little split line in the middle here where the bottom clip's revealed on the left and the top clip's on the right. So you can go into the cropping here and hit option, and that'll let you like fine tune it down to a small amount, where if you're just sliding it, it actually moves pretty aggressively. Z to zoom back out, and then you just have a split screen clip just like that. So that's 3 different ways you can show off your work. And you can save this preset here if you looked up edge wipe and changed your angle to 90 degrees, right click and say create transition preset. It'll pop up a dialog box. You name it. And then if you go over to your effects, I actually named mine before and after. So if I type in BE, we get these 2 effects. And one last tip, if you're close to an edit point, let's say we wanted to add this, and we're previewing what it looks like here by scrubbing over it, you can just double click it now, and it'll add it right down to the closest edit point. So it makes it quite a bit faster than dragging and dropping it like we used to have to do. All right, thank you guys for watching, and I'll talk to you on the next one.